Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming updates and clearing transient errors. Check your Xbox system and game updates. Once done, switch to wired if possible to remove Wi-Fi variables. Power cycle the modem, router, and Xbox. Unplug each for 30 seconds, then bring them up in order: modem, router, then Xbox. This re-establishes DHCP leases and clears NAT glitches. While devices reboot, note your router model and ISP plan so you can verify speed tiers and advanced settings later. You'll run the built-in network diagnostics to see NAT type, packet loss, and ping. This tells you whether the router or ISP is the issue. If NAT is strict or moderate, enable UPnP on the router. This usually resolves voice and multiplayer problems. If UPnP isn't available, set a DHCP reservation or static IP for the Xbox, then forward required ports like 3074 UDP/TCP. Also check CoS is not deprioritizing your console. Adjust rules so gaming traffic is prioritized. You finish by updating router firmware and confirming your ISP has no outages or active throttling. Contact them if NAT restrictions come from their gateway. Change DNS to a public resolver like 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8 to improve name resolution, then rerun Xbox tests for download speed and latency. If problems persist, perform a console network factory reset and document any error codes you see. This helps support. Troubleshooting tip: if multiplayer still fails, test another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.